Alright, so I was installing sound in a GS4, Kato GS4, and something interesting happened when I put this guy in. Put the decoder in, put it on my programming setup, and it started doing really wanky things. At first I figured it was the decoder, as this is a brand new GS4, but then I got to digging into it, tried reseating the decoder, tried some other stuff, finally put that decoder in another engine. So you have to understand how the GS4 is set up. There's an upper and a lower frame half here, and they are electrically isolated. So you have the lower frame half, and then it goes back over here. Then there's your EM13 style board, and then there would be a contact that comes through that powers the motor to the upper with this upper drawbar, and they are electrically isolated. So, and I got my multimeter in diode mode. We'll go over here, lower, upper. We should not be hearing that. That's continuity right there. So this quarter, or this upper half, there's something wanky going on there. Just to give you an idea, we'll put this lower, upper on the other side, and nothing. So that means something is causing this upper frame to ground into this lower frame. Luckily I didn't put this model or the sound decoder on a live track, because that would have released the factory smoke. But time to tear this guy apart and see if there's a burr or a file or something in here. So if you get wanky results putting a decoder in one of these, something you might want to check into. If I find it and it's something real obvious, I'll record what's going on. So I'm going to tear this guy apart a little bit more now.